Yup. You ain't lying about that. Cause I want to talk about that. That she'll never scream. Alright, so tonight, y'all, it's gonna be our first Let's Talk About It. It's an idea that, if y'all been noticing on my posts, we've been saying let's talk about it and stuff like that. It's just basically some level-minded adults getting together, having a conversation whenever we feel like it, and helping other people. It's what Let's Talk About It is about. And I have some of the original Foot on Neck Squad members that have talked about doing it. I'm doing good. Wiz, I'm doing real good, man. So, stuff coming up, and it's something that we're gonna do to help each other as a whole, as a family, as a community. The first thing I want to say, in light of everything that's going on, is that I'm proud of my daughter. I'm so proud of my daughter. I'm happy she made the decision to let her words resonate in her head, and she actually woke up and paid attention to what she was telling me the whole time, and she was telling us. And, I'm glad she woke up. To my baby girl, I'm proud of you. I want you to know that I love you. And you don't have to be ashamed of nothing. You don't have to be ashamed of nothing. You don't have to be scared of nothing. You don't have to worry about what people gonna say, because that's part of your journey. Your journey is to gather the information that you have to gather in order to one day help people. Out of thousands of people that follow you, if you just help one person, then guess what? Your job is done. So, when you're ready again, I love you. I'm here. And don't worry about none of that. All that shit happened is in the past. I'm good. We wanna start here and move forward. So, that being said, this is about us, y'all. A lot of people think, or I don't know if y'all thought that just because she was back home, we was done with carbonation and stuff like that. Nah, everybody just been taking a break. Ain't nobody finished with him. You see, for every one person that we get to come home or come away from that, if y'all notice, he trying to solicit 4 or 5 more people at the same time to go over them. And I really believe that our job as a community, as parents, as brothers, as sisters, as cousins, and a family as whole, is to make sure that there are cults out here, that there are people that don't mean them no good, that there are people that want to use them the way that they've used so many people. And again, we still have to write our letters to congressmen and to our leaders in our respective states Because if we don't continue to push the issue, then it's not going nowhere. My goal is to one day hold these people accountable for what they do to other people. Because, again, everybody is not as strong as the next person. Sometimes you have to reach down and help that person up. Instead of being a crab in a barrel and reaching up and pulling that person down, reach down and pull that person up. So they won't fall into that trap and be used and misused like the way these people doing it. You know, it's interesting because most cops, they don't put themselves on blast like that. Most cops don't do that, but yeah. Anyway, I was once told that in Costa Rica, somebody was trying to be a revolutionary. And then I talked to Crystal, and she actually told me what really happened. And I'm giving her props because, you know, she don't want to be in front of the camera and stuff like that. So I respect that. But she did tell me I could talk about some of the things we talked about. One of the things we talked about is what happened tonight. They all got deported from Costa Rica. So apparently the story went something like, it was either to go to this carnival or it was to go to the beach. And everybody chose the beach except Numbnut. He said, you know what, fuck that, we're going to the carnival. And when they drove in town, they got pulled over. Next thing you know, they got deported. The gorilla Olmec fucking eye got almost knocked out his socket, and his hair got pulled out his head, and like I said before, my baby girl screamed for Olmec. She ain't never screamed for such and such like he thought she would. But you online wanna talk about women and talk about things that you should just keep your mouth shut and be glad she ain't talked the real business yet. You know, the business that's gonna get your ass put in prison and not jail. That's what you need to do. You need to leave that shit alone. Stop talking about my child. Because you gotta remember, you got 4. You ain't doing a goddamn thing for. Nothing. Nothing. But wait till that church, you know, that church that you made. Wait till the people find out that you have an income and you can't pay child support. Anyway, that's a different story, y'all. Let's talk about it. It's gonna be about any and everything that is an issue in our community. It's not about clout and all this stuff like people say, because I was always good with watching from a distance. I was always good with just looking. And then one day, somebody decided to pull me onto this. And my only thought in my head was, underestimate me so I can embarrass you. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about every and anything that's gonna help us get to the next level as a people, as a family. You know, any and everything. I'm gonna be doing some things with some other people. Subjects and topics that they want to talk about, and it's not just gonna be one-sided. It's not gonna be two-sided. It's gonna be 1,000-sided. Or however many y'all come in, that's what it's gonna be about. So it's not always gonna be about Nature Boy and Carbonation and all of that. It's not gonna be about that all the time, because that we taking questions, babe, or anything? What I want y'all to do is start posting comments and things that y'all would like to talk about. That could be from the rooter to the tutor. It don't matter what it is. It's nothing too big or it's nothing too small, because we all on this journey called life, and it's just a repetitive thing. So that's what we're gonna be doing, y'all. And we're still in the baby phases of it, because we're still working some things out. We're still reading, and we're still looking into certain things, you know? Yep. I thank y'all for everything y'all been doing. I thank y'all for all y'all support. I thank y'all for supporting my baby girl. I thank y'all for supporting all the people that want to come home, all the people that need to come home. Like, our job not finished yet, y'all. We still have a lot of work to do, because, you know, one thing we gotta realize is that mental health is real. And I can tell y'all one thing, down here after Katrina, the help for the mentally challenged, or whatever you want to call it, bipolar, if you want to call it schizophrenic, if you want to call it the split, like our boy got, whatever you want to call it. It was a lot of funding that was not let back into these hospitals and into the communities to help people. And it's sad when you got somebody telling you that this place is a place where people with problems can come and work their problems out. That's not how that shit work, man. You have to have professional help. You have to have guidance. And just to touch on this, I did hear something. Well, I didn't look at it yet because I'm trying to find it. But they said my album went live tonight and addressed a whole lot of shit. And I waiting to see if somebody got it so I can look at it, because I didn't have time at the time to watch it, but I always go back and try to find it, you know, keep myself abreast of what's going on. So now, don't try to understand him. Don't try to understand him. If you try to understand him, my grandpa told me one time, he said, son, don't ever try to understand a woman, because if you try, you'll go crazy. Just go with the flow and let her do what she do. That's sort of like the Jenny woman we be watching, and how he talk and want to fight women. That's all that is, you know. Don't try to understand that, man. Y'all can't do that. So I thank y'all. This is our first little convo we had in a while, but the next time we come back, we'll have a topic, and we're gonna talk about it. And we're gonna try to help people in any way we can, because and man, I'm gonna tell y'all, that's some scary shit. You can't let it scare you. But goddamn, man, these people have the minds of genius madmen, and they use people at their disposal to do. All of them got this God complex. That's one subject, because I'm still reading some stuff on that I like to talk about, and just get people to understand that no matter where our kids at, we need to talk to our kids about a whole lot of stuff, man. You gotta talk to them. Just talk to them and keep them up, you know? So y'all have a good night. We're gonna try to do this randomly. It's not gonna be no set thing, because everybody work schedule is different, and everybody, you know, their lifestyles. But we're gonna be bringing y'all some stuff, man. Y'all keep your head up. Y'all keep your ears open, and just get ready to help people, because that's what it's about. All right, peace out.
Did everybody catch that live? Did everybody catch the YouTube live? If you did not catch the YouTube live, then you need to, this conversation probably won't make sense to you. Yeah, it was a great live. Yes, it was. What's up, Buddha? What's up, Golden? It was a great live. Excuse me. I won't stay on long because I want Kiss the Veil. What's up, Cherry Berry? Love you, Princess. Cherry, we need to DM today so that way I can post your mom's stuff tomorrow. It's okay. What, granddaughter? Come here, granddaughter. Did you hear the live, granddaughter? Whose live was it? It was on YouTube. You guys, it's all over my page. I've been posting about it. It's all over my page. The link is in my bio. Yeah, send me that DM so I can, because tomorrow I'm going to promote business. My live from yesterday, I didn't catch all the comments yesterday. Cancer, I went back and I caught your comments yesterday. You have always been supportive of me, and I'm talking to Cancer Moon 65. You have always been supportive of me, regardless of the indifferences that have happened between me and your family member. You have always been a real one. You have supported me. You have not judged me. I mean, maybe you have, but you've always publicly shown love to me. Cancer Moon, I love you. Thank you for your support. If you guys did not catch that live on ZX1400, please go watch it. LC Official, you watched it. Awesome. I want Kiss the Veil to go live. I'm only in here, like, I'm hyped. Do y'all hear my energy? Like, I'm fucking hyped right now. That fucking live was amazing. That live was amazing. I loved it. So if you missed it, it had pettiness, it had knowledge, it had jokes, it had everything that you could fucking think of. everything. That live was amazing. Fundi said she's in love. I love Fundi so much. You guys, I'm fucking amped. I'm hyped. My energy is through the roof. It was amazing. Please go watch that live. I subscribe to ZX for this live only. I've seen ZX. Fundi was on all the vibes. Yes. I have watched, oh, Ronnie's going live, guys. Not like I care. I have my other phone over here, so my notification popped up. I watched it and donated. Yes. Yes. Cancer. Thank you. It was very good. You guys, I posted the Cash App. Bishop wants $520 for Real Nigga Moments. Let's give Goku 1,040. Let's double that. And let's give it to fucking Goku. Let's double it. He wants 520. We can surpass that tenfold, my nigga. On the cool, if my husband wasn't, you know, if we weren't trying to do some other things, I would send 520 to Goku right now just to start it off. And I might have to do some favors tonight and just pull it off in the morning. Y'all, don't be surprised if I wake up in the morning talking about I'm sending $500 to Goku. Okay? Because I might whip out some tricks tonight. Okay? I might whip out some tricks tonight. I might. Okay? And I'm very talented. Okay? So, yeah, let's just see. But let's double it. Let's fucking double it. Bishop wants 520. Let's make sure Goku gets 1,040. Okay? I'm fucking on one, man. Peaches, I love you. Please check your DMs. I sent you a DM. You haven't opened it yet. Go check your, Peaches, go check your DMs. I got something lined up for you and I need you, and if you tell me no, I'm gonna fucking block you. Peaches, if you listen to my DM and you say no, I'm gonna block you. Because you responded. Oh, you did respond? Well, it better not have been no. You have time to go delete it right now. You better say yes, and you better just be, you know, just say yes. That's it. I love you, Queen, and I'm here to support you. So you better say yes, okay? All right, that's what I wanted to say. I want Kiss the Veil to go live, and I want her to break down the live that we just watched. So you have me crying. Oh, don't cry, Peaches. I love you. We love you. We love you, okay, Peaches? And thank you for everything that you've ever done for my page. So you better say yes, Queen, and you just, that's it. That's all you gotta do is just run the Cash App or run whatever, you know, we could do Walmart to Walmart. Don't cry. We love you, you nothing ass bitch. That's right. We love you, and you have been on my brain, and I just want to make sure that you are okay. Yes, Peaches does do that. So, you guys, go support Goku. If you have not shot his page a follow, go follow. If you guys are following Bishop, you can follow Golden. And also his queen. Her name is Exalted_Love. That is her page. She's dope. She's the one I posted with the beautiful voice. These are people, Goku did a chant for my kids last night. I asked him, I said, can you do a chant so my kids can hear it? And he did a chant for my babies last night. So, I am hyped. Somebody hand me a mushroom, because goddammit, I'm about to go outside and go live with y'all, okay? Somebody give me some mushrooms. Somebody, yes, we love you too. We are cousins. We are family. No, you make people cry, Liquor. Oh, I'm not here to make y'all cry. I'm just here to spread. Oh, I still do. I make you cry, Lolly? Oh, girl, bye. She said I make her scared inside. My daughter said, you make me scared inside. Good. I'm your mother. You better fear me for the rest of your life. It is good. You should fear your mother. You should always fear your mother. Are you kidding me? If you don't fear me, then I'm not doing my job. Okay? Yes, let me go get some mushrooms. Let me go do a cow patty. Let me, what's up? Honduras? Are you ready for the lurker? Okay? Y'all out there smoking blunts and eating mushrooms? Bitch, I'm on my way. My nigga. Okay? And we're not leaving the kids in Babylon. Kids, buckle up. We going to fucking Honduras. Okay? Buckle up. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to Kiss the Veil. I'm gonna go see if she'll do a live and break it down. She might be tired. She might not be up for it tonight. But I need Kiz to just, break down the live. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you guys did not watch the live, please go check it in my bio. I'm out of here. I love y'all. Peace.
Something, it's weird, is that there's actually, because when I was younger, all the time, there's 3 states of matter, 4 states of matter. Plasma, gas, solid. Both never really read that. This year we're not, but she says around middle school.
Oh, plasmas. About it. Okay. Hey, everyone. Kiss the Veil is going live. For some reason, it's not letting people join. I tried to join her chat 2 times, and it's just not letting me. So everybody go watch Kiss the Veil. She's going to be, just giving in some commentary for what we all just watched. So, and my daughter just told me come tell us all. Come tell us. What she said, there's 4